This is CZ purlin roll forming machine, produced by Beenew machinery. Adopt hydraulic decoiler. 7 sets of leveling rollers make the fitting smoother. 3 groups of punching devices. Add a front cutting device. C-purlin and Z-purlin are formed independently. Improve product quality. The number of forming stations is increased to 21. The main frame of the whole machine is enlarged. The maximum forming width is 350 mm. Intelligent exchange is realized through control program. Adopt 30Q hydraulic station to provide machine power. The forming speed is as high as 30 meters per minute. Galvanized strip steel can be used, and hot-rolled strip steel. Endless post shear can be increased. A flying saw post cutting device can also be added. A wide mouth opening. Please contact us for more information.